When I wake in the morning, I smile to myself like I'm thanking God. Shit, no more folks like Jonathan.
When you gonna grow up and get a job?
Cause I made that job. No, Steve, that job's kept me hungry and foolish. It's the coolest, I'ma dive in like Kendrick and drink some rum in the pool, bitch. Or beers on the roof, it's the workaholic in the magic sun. Till the Esky is empty, shit, what's life if you ain't having fun? So forget your age and those walls, I'm bursting through that maze. On top of the tour bus in a Teen Wolf mask, surfing USA. And we got that baggage packed.
Happy gas, glass and glass.
Yes, I can dig it. So I joke like Tom on a Josh, basking in these toys like a big kid. It's my habitat, I can't leave the trees like an orangutan. I'm a running on air anchor man, and I never land like Bangarang. Why don't you act? Why don't you just act your age? Why don't you act? Why don't you just act your age?
You know what I'm saying? Yo, yo, I'm acting a fool, no shame. I came, I shat in the pool. Yeah, better pass that blunt. I'm bout it. You can ask my mum, she'll tell ya. I'm psycho, mate. My ideas make your light bulbs break. I make it look so damn easy when I rock that Borat mankini. Fuck what they say, you don't miss your chance to eat chocolate cake with your hands. You rock a bubble beard while you're taking a bath, and where a simple fart still makes you laugh. Like I'm on the stage acting up, yelling bombs away while I grab my nuts. Still living it like it's all a movie, still killing shit on Call of Duty, and I still think I can move like the Matrix. Real shit, shrooming in Vegas, or when I play with my dogs. Even right now while I'm making this song. So how's